What if everything you've ever known, every star, every planet, every atom, simply vanished? What if the universe, this vast cosmic stage we all live on, had an ending written long before life ever began? And what if that ending could come in ways more dramatic, more terrifying than anything we could imagine? Some scientists say the universe will die in fire. Others say it will freeze. But the truth might be stranger than both. So today, we're asking a question as old as curiosity itself. How will the universe end? And is its final breath a violent collapse, or a quiet fade into cosmic darkness? Let's explore this mystery together. The universe is expanding. Not just growing, but accelerating. Galaxies are rushing away from each other faster and faster, carried by a mysterious force we call dark energy. Right now, this expansion is gentle enough that galaxies stay intact, stars are born, and planets form. It's a universe full of motion and life. But nothing stays the same forever. The first possible ending is called the Big Freeze. And if this theory is right, the universe won't end with a bang, but with a whisper. Imagine this. Billions of years from now, galaxies will drift apart so far that their light will never reach each other again. The night sky will grow emptier. Stars will burn out one by one. New stars will stop forming. The cosmic fire will slowly go out. The universe doesn't explode. It doesn't collapse. It simply fades. Temperatures drop until everything reaches absolute zero. Atoms stop moving. Black holes evaporate. Even photons, the particles of light themselves, stretch until their energy becomes almost nothing. It is a lonely, cold, silent universe. A place where time still exists, but nothing else does. This is the ice death of the cosmos. But what if the universe chooses fire instead? What if expansion doesn't slow down but speeds up uncontrollably? This leads us to the second theory, the Big Rip. In this scenario, dark energy becomes so strong that it tears everything apart. Not just galaxies, not just stars, not just planets. Everything. First, galaxies drift apart. Then star systems dissolve. Planets rip away from their suns. Stars themselves are stretched until they collapse. Eventually, even atoms can't hold together. Protons and neutrons rip apart. Quarks, the smallest particles we know, snap like fragile threads. Space itself tears open. The universe dies in a violent, unstoppable firestorm of destruction. A death so absolute that even the laws of physics break. This isn't just fire, it's something beyond fire, a cosmic shredding of reality. Terrifying? Yes, but also deeply fascinating. And then there's a third possibility, a quiet, elegant, almost poetic end. The Big Crunch. If dark energy changes direction, if expansion slows and reverses, the universe could collapse back in on itself. Galaxies begin to move closer. Space shrinks. Temperatures rise. The night sky brightens with the heat of collapsing stars. And eventually everything, matter, energy, time itself, is pulled into a single dense point. A point not unlike the one that started it all, the seed of the Big Bang. Some scientists wonder, could this be a cycle? Bang, expansion, collapse, repeat? We don't know. But the idea that the universe could be reborn is strangely comforting. A cosmic reset button. A universe that breathes. But which ending is most likely? Fire? Ice? Or rebirth? Right now, with the data we have, the Big Freeze is the leading theory. The universe is expanding faster and faster. Dark energy isn't weakening. Stars are already forming less frequently than they used to. It's not a dramatic death. It's not violent. It's not cinematic. It's slow, quiet, inevitable. A universe that drifts into darkness. But here's the strange part. The universe is only just beginning its life compared to how long that ending will take. It took 13.8 billion years to get here. But the death of stars, galaxies, and matter itself will take far longer. Longer than we have words for. longer than human imagination can truly grasp. We live in a moment of cosmic warmth, a moment filled with stars, light, planets, chemistry, life. A moment that exists in the tiny sliver of time when the universe is bright and full of structure. For most of its existence, past and future, the universe is dark. Only now is it awake. So what does all this mean for us? Honestly, it makes every star we see a little more special, every night sky a little more meaningful. We are living in the golden age of the cosmos, a rare moment when the universe is full of light and we're here to see it. The end may come in fire, it may come in ice, or it may come in a way we haven't even imagined yet. But for now, we are part of a universe that is alive, and that alone is beautiful. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to look up tonight. Somewhere out there, the future of the universe is already unfolding, and we're here, watching the first chapters,